Hello guys, welcome to the Money Real channel, the tutorial channel that gives you an idea of making real money online with a simple strategy. Before we go to the tutorial, don't forget to smash subscribe button and notification bell to get notified my new update video on how make money online. In this videos, I'll show you how to make money with the zero cost. Now, first, I would like to show some evidence that it actually works. This is worth your time. So, you can see all these people being paid daily with full autopilot. There are all immediate PayPal payments these people are receiving. And you can see that this is the number that people only today paid them today. There are many people who are paid using this app, but they don't know. There are automated bots that share this. They only make a few dollars here and have a lot of problems. But it's very easy for you. Automated bots help maximize results for free. Now, let's go to a website called SuperPay.me. To be precise, we can see that these companies paid members over $4,617,716.03 in 24 hours. So, even if this is your first attempt to make money online, you can literally start making money today. You can still do it within 24 hours. Which means you don't have to do that, as they also have a low withdrawal threshold. You can get a 20-cent bonus with a participation bonus, which doesn't seem to be that much, but it's a really great gift they offer. So, sign up for free within 40 seconds, and you'll earn 20 cents. They accept a variety of payment options, so you can collect payments through PayPal. You can also get Tango gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Skrill, and Bitcoin to choose from, and use the payment options that suit you. I personally like PayPal, because I can spend my money on whatever I like. Alternatively, you can withdraw to your bank account, and receive cold money directly from this website you find online. This website has features that allow you to make money without completing surveys and offers. So you need to fill in these. The external tool automation bots featured on this page will help you keep everything autopilot, hired to do the job for you. So, step number 1 is going to be to join SuperPay.me. You can just come over to this website, and you can read more about how it works. You can even watch this short video that's going to explain exactly how the websites work, and how people generate millions of dollars with this website. You can also see all of the features that are available on the homepage. So, before you start using the automation bot, I want you to click on Join for free today. You can sign up for free now. You'll need to enter some basic information about yourself, so you can register, enter your name, email address, create a username, create a password, and enter your address. Select the country you come from, and select your payment options on how you want to get paid. If you want to get paid through PayPal, just enter your PayPal email address. If you want to collect Bitcoin, just copy-paste your Bitcoin wallet address. And once you're done, just click Create. Now once you have a registration to SuperPay.me, you'll take to the dashboard page. This is how it's going to look like once you log in. On the right-hand side in real time how much money people are making on this platform. But the most important thing is that you can check out paid offers. So, you can see all of the different surveys that someone can complete, and each of those surveys is going to make their money. But it's not something that we'll focus on, because surveys can be boring and long. Then, you also have offer walls, different offer that you can complete on daily basis, and get paid. You can even watch ads, and you can engage with videos, and also get paid for it. But it's also not something that will be a focus on that. You also have different contests, and you can even win a $1,000 cash contest. Well, actually that's really good. And I highly recommend you check out those contests as well, because they can make you a lot of money. So you can join different contests, and win a reward, and all of those rewards and contests could make you thousands of dollars. They usually run those contests on a monthly basis, which is really good. So, with this one free website, you can get paid $1,000 in real cash. And you can also see other people that have been winning $1,000 with this platform in the past. Anyways, How will we be making money if not by completing surveys, offers, walls? Well, first off, I want you to check out their referral program. Click on the referrals, and that shows you exactly how much money you'll be making. You'll be making 25% of whatever the person you have referred to the platform makes. So, if someone and they sign up for free, they start making money by completing service and offers, and so on, you'll be making 25% of whatever they make. Now, they won't lose anything if they made $1,000. They'll still keep their $1,000. But you just get $250 extra for free, as a bonus just referring them. And it's a lot easier to refer someone to a platform where they can sign up for free, and where they can make money, than it just sells them something. Or to make them sign up to some paid offer, it's a lot easier to make them sign up for free, and they will also have a chance to make money, so they'll be thankful because you provided them with a real platform that's gonna help them make a couple of dollars here and there as a side income, and also you'll be thankful because you're making passive income from that if you refer 1,000 people to this platform, which is pretty easy and simple, because you saw that millions of people are using this. So, if you refer 1,000 people to this absolutely free platform, and each those people make $10 a month, I mean, it's just a no-brainer, and that's just one ways you can make money with SuperPay.me. As I said, you can also win these contests, and at one payment get like $1,000. Just pretty insane. So, what you'll need to grab your referral link, and let me show you how to set up the automation bot, so you can make money completely passive, so you won't have to spam your friends and your family to sign up for SuperPay.me, because I don't really like that idea. Don't like it when someone says yeah, go send them a message on Facebook, or on Instagram, ask your friend and your family to sign up. I'm not into that. There is a better way to get traffic to your referral link, and here's how. So, you'll need to go over to a platform is called Hercules, and this is offer at Hercules.com. So, you can send out an email with your referral link to thousands of people all around the world for free. This is a trusted service, 100% real traffic. So, real people are getting those emails, and real people are reading those emails, which have your referral link included. And you can get $5 sign-up bonus for Get Started. You can do this with just your smartphone. So, you can submit your ads on the go. With just a phone, even from that you can still do this. So, just sign up for free at Hercules.com. By clicking on the sign up button, create a free account. And once you have signed up for free, you'll be able to submit your ads in less than 60 seconds. You literally just need to create a call to action and leave your referral link over there. So, you just need to share this link with them on Hercules. And it's really easy. You just submit your referral link on that ads, and on a daily basis, they will be sent that out for free to 1,000 different people all around the world. Now, out of thousands of people, if you can just get 50 people to sign up every single day in 10 days, you'll have 500 people sign up. In 20 days, that's already 1,000 people. And as I said, they literally just need to make $10 a month with SuperPay.me platform. Just $10, like 2 or 3 different surveys that they need to complete, and you'll be making thousands of dollars from that completely passive. Now, obviously this is not a sustainable business, and you should not focus on this full time. This is not something that will replace your full-time job or whatever. But it's a nice way to maybe earn some extra money on the site, because this free website called Hercules will be doing the work for you. It will be promoting this link for you, which can get you some passive income, and this free automation bot can pretty much get your traffic to whatever you want to. But in this case, we'll be promoting a referral link for SuperPay.me, and on the back end, you're making quite a bit of passive income for yourself. So, it's a win-win, and the free automation bot does the work for you. That all for you. I hope you get the value out of this strategies and learn something new. If you like this videos, don't forget to smash subscribe button and notification bell to get new update videos. If you have a question, feel free to comment on down below. See you on the next video.